Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the clip you want inverted on the timeline. This is critical because the effect applies to the selected clip only. Once done, make a duplicate track if you might revert. Drag Alt and drag to duplicate. Then open the Color workspace or show the Lumetri panel so you have direct access to the effect controls. Make sure the clip is unlocked and not nested. Nested clips require opening the nest to apply the single track effect directly to media. You now apply the actual invert effect from the Effects panel, type invert, and drag it onto the selected clip. Once applied, go to Effect Controls. You can invert composite RGB for a full negative or invert channels individually to fine-tune color relationships. Adjust the mix or opacity if you need partial inversion. Lower values blend original and inverted frames. If skin tones or highlights clip, invert only certain channels and use masks to isolate areas rather than inverting the whole frame. Finish by refining the inverted look. Draw masks in Effect Controls to confine inversion and add keyframes to animate the effect if needed. Once satisfied, render the section to preview real-time playback. This reveals color shifts that previews can hide. If colors look wrong after export, make sure your sequence and export color space match, typically Rec. 709. One troubleshooting tip: if invert seems absent, ensure the clip is not nested or an adjustment layer above it. Move the effect to the base clip or unnest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.